Hi guys, you might be wondering how soldering iron is done. So whenever you are trying, so always you get to see, in videos and everywhere you see, it is just a easy process. But when you start doing yourself, so this one is the uh, soldering wire, which is the one you need. Okay, so there are multiple type of wires in the market. So thin, a bit thick. So whatever you pick, you according to that only, heat should be applied. So thinner wire thinner wire would require less heat, and thicker would be requiring more heat. Okay, as you can see, this is the wire, right? This is the wire. So it basically, uh, uh, if you uh, if you are able to look inside the wire, then within this wire there are certain plugs. So plugs is just a material which is used to uh, in less temperature. If you apply any plugs, then in less temperature it will melt. Okay, so soldering process is basically you are joining something. Okay, so be it a electronic circuit or somewhere. So you are melting and joining two surfaces within this material. This is so this one is the wire I'm talking about. You can see this comes in this type of roll, right? So first of all, you need to have the soldering iron, which is this one. So there are certain types of soldering iron available in the market: 10 watt, 25, 35, 45 watts, right? So there are different nibs available also. So this is the nibs. Okay, so this is in the power right now, so this is heated, I cannot touch it. But this depends upon which type of circuit you are joining. So according to that thickness you will need. So more thickness would not uh, solve the purpose. It might I mean break the purpose actually. Okay, yeah. So see, this is the circuit I am going to join. Okay, so as I said earlier, that there are different type of soldering iron nibs. Okay, which you need. So this, as you can see, this is right hand side is the smaller one. So this can join smaller, the uh, circuits which have less gaps. Okay, and the second in the left hand side. So this one is used to join the circuit which are I mean wide in spacing. Okay, as you can see, if I join this, that would work fine. This is the gap, this will suffice the purpose. But if I'm going to join a smaller circuit than this one, then what will happen? Suppose I am joining this IC, this is the integrated circuit. So if I am joining this, so if I apply the uh, plugs over here and try joining, then what will happen? All the four, okay, so there are four pins you can see here. so all the four points can join, so it would be hard to manage. Okay, although if you have already joined and you did any mistake or you want to unjoin anything, then there are separate thing you will need. So this is the de-solder. It is called de-solder, means whatever you have soldered, you want to take it back, roll back. Okay, so whenever when you put a heating, okay, so when you apply this, it will heat. Once it will heat, I'm not going to do this right now, but I'm just showing the demo. Okay, how about the process, how what process we need to follow. So we need to apply heat over here. Once it is heated, immediately you need to attach this at this point of this location and push like this, right? And again you want to repeat the process. This is the lever, you have to push, you have pushed, then hit the surface, and then apply here and push the button. All right, whenever you are soldering anything, just make sure the nib, okay, so this is the nib, so the nib must be shining even after heated. It must not be clogged with the material, the soldering material. Okay, if it is clogged or if it's blackened out, means you will not be able to join. Okay, so in that case what you have to do, there are certain of sponge come with the you can buy it online also, so but I don't recommend that anything to buy. Okay, so just you might be having lot of iron material or any or uneven surfaces. Okay, so just apply this particular nib on that surface so that it will start shining. Okay, you need to rub like this. Okay, so this you have rubbed and the surface is ready to solder. You can see the signs. Okay, I have rubbed a smaller portion, but it will serve my purpose. So first you need to apply you need to preheat the material a bit, just 1 to 2 seconds. You can see how, and then once heated you can apply the wire, so it will look like this. Okay. If within the project your this is again blackened out, just you need to rub again so that it will shine. You can see the shining, it is shining over here. Okay, so you need to rub this. So this is how you can apply solder wire. Okay, so now you can see, so both the wire have been wrapped with the soldering wire, solder wire, right? Now it will be easy to connect this to the required circuit, right? Let me show you. So this is how you need to keep both at one place, then leave it. So now you can see this has been attached like this. So this is attached. So this is the process. I will again repeat the process because I am working on a project and I will complete it. Stop. So this is how you can solder it, and after it has been soldered, just you need to dry it down. Okay, so this is the process how you can do the soldering. Hope I have been useful to you in some extent. So if you like our video, please press the like button, subscribe our channel, and share across in your friend circles.